Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry here, and today I wanted to answer a question that I am asked all the time, and that is, can you make vape juice in the Ardent FX or the Ardent Nova? And before I get to the answer to that, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, can you make vape juice in the Ardent Nova or FX? Yes, you can. I found this out, and I didn't previously know because I don't like vape juice. I don't like vape pens. I don't like using them, so I really hadn't explored this much. But I was getting asked this question all the time. So I checked in with Chanel Lindsay, inventor of the FX and the Ardent, and in fact, you can make vape juice in them, and they even have some lab tests on this, and there'll be links to those in the comments below. But there are two popular ways to make vape juice. One is vegetable glycerin, and the other is propylene glycol. That's VG or PG. And what Ardent found is that vegetable glycerin is a terrible medium to extract cannabis. It was not effective at all, and I already knew this from making cannabis tinctures, that glycerin only absorbs about a third as much as, say, alcohol. But Ardent had abysmal results with trying to infuse glycerin in the FX or the Nova. However, the propylene glycol did quite well. So if you're going to make vape juice, this is what you would want to use. Personally, I don't use it. I don't like vaping these products. We do not know anything about the long-term effects of inhaling them, so I don't recommend it. But if you're going to do it, propylene glycol is the substance to use. If I'm going to vape, though, I prefer to vape flowers, so see the comments below to a link to a review of my favorite flower vape that's also portable and convenient, and you can take along just as easily as a vape pen. Personally, I would rather vape flowers than be vaping any kind of vape juice, but that's me. Hope this helps, and I'll see you all next time.